Hi, my name is Kameleshwar. I have been working as a data analyst intern at Abhyaz since February 3rd, 2025.
I'm Udhayam, and I worked as a data analyst intern at Abhyaz.
I got a hands-on experience on tools like Zoho Analytics, Zoho CRM, Zoho Recruit, and Zoho Forms.
This internship was an incredibly rewarding experience where I had the chance to apply both my technical skills and my analytical mindset together.
I have worked on real-time projects like cleaning CRM modules, data collection of institution, and creating dashboards.
One of the key moments of this internship was the duration I worked with the tools such as Zoho Books and Zoho People.
One of my proudest moments in this journey is creating attendance dashboard in Zoho Analytics.
I worked on generating custom attendance reports, setting up workflows, and understanding the importance of maintaining clean and structured data.
In the end, it helped me grow technically and mentally.
But what truly elevated my experience was how the mentors were interacting with the interns. They were so wonderful at their jobs and they helped us at every point of our task.
Another memorable part of this journey was connecting with interns from different parts of the world.
This hands on exposure helped me grow in areas like data analysis, reporting, problem solving, and working with real time business
I
rules.
highly recommend this internship to future interns who are looking for a hands on experience on CRM and dashboard creation in CRM. Thank you, Abhyas, for this opportunity.
Overall, my internship strengthened my foundation, boosted my confidence, and left me excited for the next chapter in my career journey. Thank you.